Hey everybody, we're taking a minute here in the office and looking at my family's electric bill. And the reason we're doing that is back in the summer we installed a GAF Energy roof on our personal home. And we have some pretty good footage of what that looks like. It looks great with the solar shingles in there. You wouldn't really know that it's actually an energy roof compared to like traditional solar panels that have the raised panels on the roof. So it looks really good, and now it's starting to go to work for us. We just got our electric bill for November, and so we can kind of compare what our electric usage was from the grid prior to that system being turned on to now that we have the energy roof installed and working. So you can see our energy usage for the year, and just as a reference, I have 3 kids, and we have a well, we have an electric water heater, and we have AC. So you can see that our electrical usage rather peaks during the summer. In August, obviously it's hotter out. We run the AC, my kids play in the water outside, things like that. And then in August is when we turned on the energy roof, and you can see the performance right away in our electric usage from the grid. Dropped from over 1,000 kilowatt hours to just over 700 for September and October. And also for reference, here in West Michigan, September was pretty warm. So our actual consumption of energy was probably about the same in August and September. But you can see what we absorbed from the grid was about 30% lower. So September and October were about the same. And then November, actually that's probably the least usage we've had since we moved into the house. So the GAF Energy roof is definitely making a difference on our monthly expenses on our home. We also get the tax credit this year when we file our taxes. So if you'd like to take a look at what a GAF Energy roof might do for you and your family, and you're located here in West Michigan, our team at Property Revolution would be happy to help put a proposal together for you, and we can even show you what different combinations and solar arrays might look like depending on what your goals are. So if you're interested in something like that, make sure you feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.